Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another little bit earlier video than I expected, because I wanted to talk with you about where could price move in the next few days or weeks, and also I run into some absurd allegations against Bitcoin and Binance exchange in general. So let's get in the business. We are standing here on the daily Bitcoin chart. As you can see, we broke bearish out of this descending triangle where we were consolidating in the past 3 months and drop around approximately 22% more or less, and now we are trading in this yellow and red color zone of support and resistance. Here we can see some little bullish steam on this last support zone that we bounced from, and trying to find some new support level on $8,200. Now the reason why this happened is because we can see bullish divergence on RSI indicator and a chart which made us broke that resistance right now, where we are trying to find a support and pull us out from this dangerous red zone, which is pretty much last zone of support where we could lose our ground and drop further lower on the even $7,000. And even that level is questionable to hold because of a big pressure from bears that pull us out of this triangle into these dangerous support levels. One more bad side of this situation here is also a volume that is still very low and could easily push us downwards, but also could push us up on the new levels of resistance and maybe save us from that bearishness temporarily. But again, even if that happened, I intend to observe that as some kind of an artificial pump which could throw us into some kind of a Bart-Simpson pattern, which you guys know very well how that pattern ends. Now, what I wanted to say, as we are standing here and trading at this level, I do expect price to make its next move until the end of this week. That move could be both up or down. I see this zone as a no trading zone, except if you're a long-term investor, of course, because then it wouldn't be matter where you buying, because on a long run we are all winners, right? Me personally, I'm not trading right now. What could we potentially wait here is a confirmation of breaking up either that 7,600 level or push through the 9,000 level and taking out those lower highs from $10,000 all the way up to the $14,000. Me personally, I don't think that's more likely to happen, but who knows? This is Bitcoin and we all know how Bitcoin could surprise us. But for now, guys, I'm more leaning myself to the bearish side, which is not bad at all. Don't get me wrong. That only gives us a chance to buy even more Bitcoin for next bullish trend, because you all saw what happened after this rally and how powerful Bitcoin actually is. So be prepared, don't be scared, throw your emotions out of the market and think logically what will and could actually happen with the price in the next few months or weeks. So this is pretty much it for the price predictions or price analysis, technical analysis. And now let's jump into the news. What do we have here? This is some absurd stuff, and now listen up. I'd rather have bananas, tech billionaire Mark Cuban on Bitcoin. Oh my god, bravo. Here's the thing about crypto, particularly Bitcoin. Bitcoin is worth what somebody will pay for it. And this is, ladies and gentlemen, someone who is calling himself technology investor.
What?
But our technology investor that is net worth $4 billion
$50 million?
didn't stop there. He compared Bitcoin with the cards. Did you ever see someone who collected baseball cards and they were really proud of their baseball cards because they kept saying they were going to go up in the price? Comic books, same thing, even artwork. There's no real instinct value. You can't eat baseball card. Your artwork might look good on the wall, but not much you can do with it. Bitcoin, there's even less you can do with it. At least I can look at my baseball card, can look at artwork. Sweet Lord, do these people really exist?
We're in a war, man! There's no time for stupid questions!
Well, first of all, Bitcoin has one of the biggest role in financial world, and that is 0% of inflation, best store of value, even than gold, and last is the best decentralization, which means no government is involved in Bitcoin. as it is in all other centralized currency, right? Which are getting printed non-stop until the whole financial world collapses. Did this guy even do his own research about blockchain and Bitcoin technology? Let me know in the comment section. I'm really interested. What do you think about this funny guy? And now let's head to some other clown. Calvin Ayre says Binance is illegal and will be shut down within a year. In an interview to CCN, founder of Ayre Group and CoinGeek, Calvin Ayre made some controversial comments against the leading cryptocurrency exchange Binance. He said that Binance is a scam operation and its CEO Changpeng Zhao is running a pump and dump scheme. Ayre compared Binance to a rigged casino. Well, I can see these guys mad on Binance because of its own confrontation with them about the listing BSV token, but it's not far from the truth that Binance is pump and dump exchange with a lot of coins that has no value at all, but it is far away from a scam and even far, far away from shutdown, that's for sure. Earlier this month, founder of Digibyte, DGB Coin, alleged that Binance demanded $300,000 and 3% of all DGB coins in circulation in order to get the coin listed on the platform. Changpeng Zhao responded to the tweet saying he has more interesting things to attend to than waste time on these types of guys. What do you think about this? Are those statements against Binance correct or not? Do let me know in the comment section down below, because I do think that the Binance is actually leading some kind of a monopoly on the whole crypto market. But we will see how long will they do that actually. And thank you very much for watching today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and until the next video, bye bye.